Today feels illegal to waste indoors.
Haven't eaten in like 5 minutes. That's trauma. Too late, it's mine! Hey bro, look what I found!
What just happened to...
This is 1000% Riz!
Whoa! Whoa! It's the dance mode button!
Let's dance! Ooh, that's you, bet! Spin with me!
Colic Rumble. Risky.
I might be destroying the Lost Titans?
Wait, what's happening? I'm inflating! Oof. Whoa, what's happening?
Look up!
These are huge!
Wow. Wow, look at that thing.
That really scared me!
Remember, kids, magic tools are not toys. Don't mess with the universe.
Good choice! Now where are the donuts you promised?
Okay, guys, let's go recharge real quick.
Not again. Subscribe or I'll unfreeze them.
Oh my god!
Oh no! He gets cranky when he's hungry! Go Mario! Mamma mia! Where is that giant baby?
Excuse me, Sir Turtle. Did you see a dinosaur looking for pizza?
Feed us first! We are hungry too!
No time for snacks, guys. Big mission! Perfect! The appetizer. It's me, Mario! Look at him! He's hangrier than I thought! Okay, plan B. The sneak attack snack. All right, let's go! It's me, your waiter!
I'm so hungry! Please give me some food!
Fight me! Ah! Oh my god!
Please give me some food.
Oh, don't look at me with those puppy eyes.
Oh my god, I'm starving, May. I feel like I'm gonna pass out.
Okay.
So good!
Calling backup! Luigi's Pizza, pronto!
big boy! Thank you, little guy. Thanks. And less.
You're welcome. Just don't eat me for dessert.
Ow! Good job, Mario! High five!
Wow.
Wait. Since when did my phone start streaming Kong vs. Godzilla?
Sorry, Godzilla. Today, you lose. Your riz is mid, Kong. Prepare to be cooked.
That was a hard hit.
Ow, ow, ow.
Must be really hurt.
Today is my day. Ah! Ow, ow, ow.
Did Godzilla just cough? Like an 80-year-old woman?
Bro, you good? That sneeze was definitely not a vibe. My bad, it's the humidity. Living underwater is so mid. I think you've got sunstroke. I think I caught a land cold. Too much oxygen. Wait here. I'll find help. Stay zen, Godzilla.
A few moments later.
Help! My best enemy is sick! Fix him!
A sick Godzilla? Is this a prank? Where's the camera?
Please, please. He's not well.
Okay, let's see if a sick Godzilla is harder than a sick lover. I'm going in.
1 hour later.
All right, let's see. Open big, Mr. Zilla. Oh boy, you're 1,000 degrees. But that's normal for you, right?
What? I have a way to make him cooler. Ugh, everything hurts. Even my ribs.
Gentle. You're treating him, not blowing him to Mars.
Sorry.
This will help you feel better, maybe. He needs... Ooh, the secret medicine!
Wait, will he live? I just need to know who actually wins our 1v1.
Behold, the glazed donut of healing.
Can this delicious cake cure diseases? Let me try it first.
This donut is only for the sick.
He's back! The Lizard King is back! That donut has 100% red!
cannot look! We must stop it!
Stop it! That's just an unhatched egg!
Don't make noise. You're disturbing my meal.
Kong stopped! That egg was too small. Why not wait for it to hatch before eating it?
This idea also makes sense.
That's right. That's a good idea.
Don't try to trick me into giving you that egg.
To make an egg hatch quickly, you must know how to care for it.
Okay, let me give it a try.
First, you have to hatch the egg. Do you even know how?
I wonder what my meal will look like when it expands.
Kong! You're a gorilla, not a hen!
Kong, your butt is too dangerous. Try another way.
Music seems better than sitting on eggs, Kong.
Hurry up and hatch. My stomach is starting to rumble. This song is great, isn't it?
Kong, you're giving the baby a headache. We need a lullaby, not a concert.
I understand, boss. The music is not suitable for children.
One hour later.
That's right. Our meal is almost ready.
You're a fan. You're a fan now, not a hurricane. Kong, where did the egg go?
I'm sorry.
A few moments later.
Here you are! Here you are! Yes! Perfect! Yes! I did it!
Now stay quietly in your nest.
There are no more storms.
Look how cool it is.
It's just a hat, Kong, but it's 100% adorable.
This is bad! The egg is about to hatch! Run!
Yummy! In my tummy! Wow! This meal is really high in protein. Come here. I'm hungry.
Will Kong prepare to eat it?
Hey, Look! Wait, hold up, what is that?
Mama? Mama?
I'm not Mama! Is anyone there? Could you please turn down the volume?
Stop crying!
Mama?
Okay, you win. I'm not hungry anymore.
He's not a monster. He's a cutie.
Remember, kid, real love starts with caring for the little things.
I haven't considered this possibility either. Be quiet. If he wakes up, it'll be a real headache.
Goodbye, everyone. We have to be quiet now, or Kong will go crazy.